Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study SAT math using an easy method. First, familiarize yourself with the test structure and common question styles. This helps you know what to expect on test day. Next, take a full-length practice test to pinpoint your specific weaknesses. Don't worry about your score yet. The goal is to find areas needing improvement. Finally, concentrate your study efforts on fundamental math topics such as algebra, geometry, and data analysis. Mastering these basics is crucial for a strong performance. Consistent practice is key to improving your SAT math score. Use official SAT practice tests and questions to ensure you're studying relevant material. After each practice session, meticulously review every question you answered incorrectly. Understand why your answer was wrong and how to arrive at the correct solution. This deep dive into your errors is where significant learning happens. Also, practice under timed conditions to get comfortable with the pace required on the actual exam, aiming for about 1 minute per question. To truly excel, focus on mastering the core math concepts frequently tested. Algebra is a major component, so ensure you're proficient with linear equations, inequalities, and functions. Geometry questions often involve areas, volumes, and angles, so review those formulas. Data analysis and problem solving are also critical, requiring you to interpret graphs, tables, and statistical information. Dedicate time to understanding these foundational areas, as they form the backbone of the SAT math section. Consistent review will solidify your knowledge. On test day, ensure you're well prepared beyond just academics. Get a full night's sleep. A rested mind performs better. Eat a nutritious breakfast to maintain energy and focus throughout the long exam. Remember to bring your approved calculator and identification. Stay calm, read each question carefully, and don't dwell too long on difficult problems. For those looking to simplify their home life, check out the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Good luck with your SAT.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.